This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Frank Trigger. This beautiful end-unit condo in the lovely Buckner Woods neighborhood has been recently renovated and includes all stainless steel appliances, soft close shaker cabinets, granite countertops, and more. You will be drawn to the open floor plan with laminate flooring, double windows, and upgraded sliding glass door, all of which allow for Towne's natural light, adding warmth and beauty throughout. On the second floor there are 2 spacious bedrooms and bathrooms. The primary bedroom features a huge walk-in closet, and a generous ensuite. This home is completely move-in ready and features a private patio with views to the open green spaces and trees, providing a sense of privacy. Come fall in love with maintenance-free living in a community with a pool that provides safety and security. For more information